had no brakes. Okay, so let's see if we can actually measure anything from that. It flew. The brakes didn't work. Yeah, it's right there. Steering and power. Interesting. Hopefully we still have a GNSS in there and we can actually... We have a GNSS, okay. Let's do a stop and a read. 70, I hit 70. There we go. And lost steering. Well, that's it for the day. But yeah, we hit the 70s, which is a bit crappy but also good because it's buggered. Alright guys, take care, have fun, play safe.